The second speaker was a little harder to crack open, but I managed to do it. Inside was a circuit board more interesting than the previous one and a display board. Taking a closer look at the board, we see that there's a microcontroller, two Class D amplifiers, and some RF stuff for the FM antenna. I checked the control lines to the display board to find some of the weirdest waveforms I've ever seen, and then checking the battery, which happens to be totally drained. So I decided to power it up using my bench supply, and well, it works. Apparently, there's nothing to fix here, which is sad. The thing is pretty loud too, till it resets because the bench supply's constant current kicked in. And another working speaker and a disappointing conclusion to this two-part quote repair unquote series.